Hi, and welcome to another video from the collection of website builder guides and video tutorials. In this tutorial, you will learn the easy way to build a brand new website for your business from scratch without any IT knowledge or website building experience. By following this tutorial, you will be able to build a complete website for your business. The website will include multiple pages, fully interactive homepage, header and footer, and quotation form for your customers to reach you and request quotes for your products or services that you plan to provide. As opposed to my previous videos, where I showed you how to build websites step by step and creating each element individually, in this tutorial I'm going to use different approach and create the website by using the website import template. This means you won't need to build as much, i.e. creating pages, applying formatting to those pages, or adding contact form to your website. The main aim of this guide is to show you how you can import completely pre-built website template onto your WordPress theme and simply replace it with your own content. This will save you a lot of time and will let you concentrate on the progress with your website instead of spending hours on building it step by step. With that said, you will still be able to add as many additional features as you like, modify and change it in any way you'd like, and make it personal and related to your brand or type of business. But the main goal is to create professional and sleek looking business website as easy as possible. Now that you've got the idea of what to expect from this tutorial, let's get started. Before we proceed, I'd like to take a minute to explain the process and requirements for creating a new website. And in order to create one, we will need a website hosting and domain name. Website hosting are provided by various companies that rent out their services and technologies to host websites on the internet. Once the hosting company hosts your website, anyone can access it by typing in your web address in their web browser, and when they do this, their computer connects to the server your website is hosted on. And domain name is just a name of your website or online blog. Okay, we can now proceed to create our website. If you scroll down to this video description and click on Bluehost discount link, this will take you to the Bluehost web page with discount already applied. The link will work worldwide and your currency will change according to your location. Click on Get Started and choose your plan. For the purpose of the tutorial, I'm going to choose Basic Plan, which comes with one website, 50 GB of SSD storage, and free domain. You can read through all available plans and choose the one that's more suitable to you. But if you are looking just for one website, I would recommend to stick with the Basic Plan. And please note, if you decide that Bluehost is not suitable for you for whatever reason, you can cancel your subscription and get your money back within 30 days from the date you've purchased Bluehost hosting. Next, we are going to choose our free domain. Make sure your domain is one of the kind, unique, and not owned by anyone else. At this point, I'm going to show you how to claim an additional hidden discount to add to the one you already claim by clicking the link in the description of this video. If you move your mouse pointer as if you want to close the page, you will get an additional special sign-up offer. All you want to do is just to claim savings. This is now changed accordingly, and Bluehost automatically will apply the cheapest option, which comes with the longest period of hosting. Make sure you choose the one that suits your needs. I'm going to select 12 months, and I'm going to untick all the package extras as none of them are really essentials for your website. With 2 discounts applied and free domain included, the total amount for your website hosting for 1 year comes to $59.40. In the UK it will cost you £53.34, and if you are purchasing Bluehost from anywhere in Europe, it will cost you €60.11. Obviously all these costs captured at the time of recording this video and might be slightly different whenever you decide to purchase Bluehost hosting. Next, you want to fill in your information, scroll down to payment. You can pay by card or click on see more payment options to check out with PayPal. Tick terms and conditions and hit submit. Payment process is complete and your Bluehost account is created. At this point, you will receive the email from the Bluehost to verify your account via your email address. All you have to do is to go to your email address, the one that you provided while creating Bluehost hosting, find the email from Bluehost that prompts you to verify the account, and click on verify your email. Please note, from this point onwards, it could take up to 2 hours for your domain and hosting to be activated. You could still carry on setting up your account in the meantime. Go back to previous page and click Create Account. At this stage, you are going to create your new password to be able to log into Bluehost web hosting. Make sure you remember it or make note of it somewhere, as this is the password that you're going to be using every time to log into Bluehost and edit your website. Retype your password created earlier and click Login. Skip next 3 steps in which Bluehost are trying to help you to create your new website, as we are going to be using WordPress dashboard and Elementor builder to create our website later. And there we are. We've successfully set up our site, which we will use to create the website by using website import template. Click on Login to WordPress in the right hand corner, and this will take you to the WordPress dashboard. On the left hand side, you will have an access to WordPress navigation pane, which includes all necessary resources that will help you to create your new website. Before we proceed to applying the new theme and importing the complete website, I would recommend you to reset your WordPress to the default settings. This will help to avoid the conflict with the previous theme formatting and allow the smooth transition when applying the new template. I strongly recommend you reset your WordPress before importing new website template. To reset WordPress, go to Dashboard, Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type WP Reset. Click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Once activated, click on Tools and select WP Reset. Choose plugin and themes that you would like to reactivate once WordPress Reset is complete. Type in Reset next to Reset Site tab and click Reset Site. You will see the final warning letting you know that the next step will reset your WordPress to default values and all content will be lost. Click Reset WordPress and your WordPress is now reset to the default settings. Next, we are going to delete all pages from our current website before importing a new one. we want to make sure that we have completely clean WordPress before importing a new website template. This will also make sure that we avoid any conflicts with the previous theme formatting. Click on Pages, All Pages, select All Pages, and choose Move to Trash within the above options. Once selected, click Apply. Now if we go to our website and refresh it, you will see that all pages have been deleted, leaving completely blank homepage. Okay, our WordPress is now ready to import a complete website. And to do so, we will need to install a few plugins first. Go back to your dashboard, highlight Plugins, and click Add New. In the search bar on the right hand side, type Elementor. Next, we're going to install top 3 plugins that relate into the Elementor website builder. First, Elementor website builder itself, which is the main plugin that would help us to build our website. Second, essential add-on for Elementor. These are just additional elements that would give us an extra options to customize our website. And the last one is Elementor header and footer and block templates, which will help us to edit our headers and footers of our website. Click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Close down this Elementor tutorial, return to Plugins, and install the other 2. For the add-ons essentials, choose Basic Setup, click Next, Next again, Next again, and finish. Return to Plugins again, and install the last header and footer and block template for Elementor. Next, we are going to install the final plugin that will allow us to import a complete website onto our WordPress theme. Go back to Plugins, Add New. In the search bar, type Starter Templates. Click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate. Okay, that was the last step in the preparation to build our website. With the plugins out of the way, we can now proceed to apply a new theme and import website template onto that theme. Click on Appearances, Themes, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click Add New Theme. In the search bar on the right hand side, type Astra. Click Install. Once installed, click Activate. Once activated, you can open your website, and what I normally do, I open the website in the New tab. That way you can apply any customization within the dashboard and then view it live on your website just by refreshing the page. If you go to your website now, as you can see, the new theme has been applied, and at this stage, this is a very basic theme, and we are going to be importing the website template onto this theme. Go back to the WordPress dashboard and click Plugins. find plugin called Starter Template installed earlier and click See Library. Choose Elementor Page Builder on the first page, and this will take you to the selection of the available website template you can upload onto your theme. Within this selection you will have many choices of templates. Some of the templates completely free, and some of them comes with the premium package of the starter template, and they labeled agency templates. You can explore the option of the premium package templates, or just use free version and upload them to your website. You can click on any of the templates and you can preview it to check what in particular includes in that template package. As you can see, this template includes 5 pages, home page, who we are, services, our project, and contact us page. You can also get a feel of how your website will look by clicking on Preview tab in the left hand corner. Okay, next we are going to apply small business website template onto our WordPress theme. In the search bar we're going to look for the free version of the small business template called Plumber. Select template. This template will come with 6 pages, quotation request form, and a fully interactive homepage. Click Import Complete Site, fill in small survey, skip the next step, and click Import. Once imported, you will see the short message telling you that your website template was imported successfully and you can view your website. Click View Site, and there you are. The import completed successfully, and we now have an access to the complete website with pre-built 6 pages, fully interactive homepage, action button, sample content which we will be replacing with our own, and the quotation form built in on the main homepage for our customers to reach us. Now we can proceed to the next stage of building our website, and that is to customize it to give it more personal look, as well as replace the generic content to reflect the services we're trying to provide to our customers. And at first we are going to amend the header and footer of our website. And to do that, click on Customize, Header Builder. This will bring up the additional menu on the bottom of the screen, in which we will be able to customize the header of our website. The header split into 3 sections. You can rearrange already available content within those sections. Add new elements to your website header, or delete elements completely if no longer required. You can add your own logo if you have one. Choose Site Identity and Logo, click Change Logo, follow the path to where your logo is saved on your computer, click Open. This will add your logo to your media library. Click Select, crop image to the desired size, click Crop Image, and this will add your logo to the website header. Make sure you resize it to match your website layout and formatting. Choose different devices on the bottom of the page and align the width of the logo to make sure it will display correctly on the mobile devices. You can hide logo on mobile devices completely, or remove logo completely and display site title and site tagline instead. If you add the element to your website header and would like to customize that element, hover over that particular element within the website header and click to edit this element. This will bring out an additional menu on the left hand side in which you will be able to edit every single part of that particular element. For example, this widget consists with Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. At the minute it's just a generic additions, and if you would like to add your own Facebook, all you have to do, click on expand and add your own Facebook URL. If you would like to add more elements within your added widget, in this particular case I've added social icons for the social platforms. Click on drop down menu and choose the platform you'd like to add. Once added, expand the section and link the URL relevant for that platform. If you would like to remove the element within the widget, simply click on the X button to the right hand side of the widget to delete the section. To change the design of the added widgets to your header menu, click on Design tab, and here you can change the icon size, icon spacing, color of the icon, background color, and margin for the icon layout. You can hide controls on the left hand corner to see how your website and header will appear on the full screen. And click Publish to save changes. Now if we go to our website, we will see that the header has been amended and the new social link widget were added. And if we click on any of that links, it will take us to the URL we've added to link to that particular link. Next, we are going to customize the footer of our website. The process is exactly the same. Click on Customize, Footer Builder, Rearrange, Add, or remove widgets or elements, or simply choose any elements within the footer and replace it with your own content. Once completed, click Publish to save changes. And just remember, whether it's a header or footer editing, the process is exactly the same. you either add or remove elements, reshuffle them in any particular order you would like to display them on your website, or simply edit those elements by using the customizer on the left hand side. Just spend some time and explore different options, variants and layouts. You can't really break anything, and you can always revert back to its original layout. Okay, we can now proceed to second part of our tutorial, and that is to customize our home page, web pages and quotation form. If you close down the customizer menu and return back to the home page, within the top ribbon of the customization bar, click on Edit with Elementor. This will bring up a new menu on the left hand side, which includes many elements we can add to our website by simply using drag and drop techniques. The main page of our website will be split into sections, and we can edit those sections just by highlighting any of the sections and click on the small pencil in the right hand corner of that particular section. That will enable us to edit it within the Elementor customization menu on the left hand side. We're going to dissect this process and break it step by step into more details in the next part of this video. First, we're going to replace and edit already existing content within the imported website template. If you choose the section you'd like to edit and click on the pencil in the right hand corner, this will bring up an additional editing menu within the Elementor page builder. This additional menu will be split into 3 tabs: Content, Style and Advanced. Within the Content tab, you'll be able to replace, edit or customize already existing content within that section. For example, if you'd like to change the title of your business, you would simply replace the plumbing solution title with your own name of the business. You can add URL to any of the content within the section you chose to edit. You could change size of the text, and alignment of the text. Within the Style tab, you can change text color, typography, size of the text, weight of the text. You can transform text with various options. You can transform the uppercase letters into lowercase and vice versa. You can change style and add some decorations. Underline, overline, or line through. You could also tweak line height and letter spacing. Next, we are going to look into the Advanced tab. Within this tab, you will have some more additional options you can apply to your website. You can change your margins, add motion effects, change background, and add borders. There's many more options available within the Advanced tab. You can explore those options on your own time by applying it to your website and making it look best suited to your type of business. If you would like to revert back to any stages that you've applied while editing your website, you can go into the history located in the left-hand corner, retrace your editing step and revert it back to your website. You could also go into revisions and apply previous editing saved by Elementor. Once you're happy with your editing, click Update to save changes. Next, we're going to learn how to change main title background, add or remove sections, and add new elements to our website using Elementor drag and drop techniques. To replace main title background, as per usual, click Edit with Elementor, click on Style, and choose the image to replace the current image. Okay, next we're going to learn how to add new sections to our website, add new elements within those sections, and remove sections from our website. To add new section to our website, click on plus button that says Add Section, click plus again, and choose Layout for your new section. Once added, click on plus button again within that section. This will bring up an additional menu on the left hand side with various elements you can add to your website. For example, if you would like to add a heading and some text, simply choose heading on the left hand side and drag it into your section. From then on, you can edit the content by using already familiar content, style, and advanced tabs that we already covered earlier in this video. You can add a button to your website and link it using URL to any page within your website or any content within your website, as well as any external source if you'd like to. You can add image, video, and many more of other different elements that's available and provided by Elementor Page Builder. If you would like to delete the element within this section, simply hover over that particular element, right-click, and delete that section. If you would like to delete complete section, simply click on Delete Section on the top of the elements added to that section. Please note, not all elements available in the free version of the Elementor Page Builder. Elements like posts, login detail, navigational menu, page title editor, and more only available in the Pro version. Although in my opinion there is enough components to complete your website using free version, you can upgrade to full version to unlock its full potential. At the time of recording this video, the Elementor Pro version costs around $50 USD per year for one Pro website. Please check the link in the description of this video to get the latest deals. From this point onward, use the same method of editing outstanding pages on your website. Choose the page you'd like to edit, click Edit with Elementor, then replace, add, or remove the content on your website. Once you add your own content, you can edit it through Elementor Page Builder by using the Content, Style, and Advanced tabs. If you would like to add pages to your website, please check my other video, How to Add New Pages in WordPress. This short 3-minute video will guide you through everything you need to know on how to create and add pages to your website. You'll find the link for this video in the description below. There is also another way of adding new pages to your website, and that is to duplicate already existing page, rename the title, and edit the content of the page. This topic is also covered in another video of mine called How to Duplicate an Elementor Page. This method is more suitable when you're creating the website by using the import template, which is what we have done so far, as it would let you to create a new page as well as benefit from having a page that is already matching the style, formatting, and layout of the rest of your website. The link to the video on how to duplicate an Elementor page will also be included in the description of this video. At last, we're going to set up the Request a Free Quote form located on the main home page to make sure your customers will be able to reach you. To do that, go back to your WordPress dashboard, click Plugins, Installed Plugins, scroll down and find WP Forms Lite and click Settings. Once in Settings, click All Forms on the left hand side. Then find Contact Form 1 and click Edit. Similar to the Elementor Page Builder, WP Forms will let you to rearrange, add, edit text displayed on your contact form, or delete sections. Once you amend your form and happy the way it will display on your website, click on Settings, and in the Send to Email Address tab, fill in the email address that you would like to receive notification from your customers via your website. You can change the email subject line just so you can recognize it when they come through to your email address. Click Save and return to your website. Now, when the customer complete Request a Free Quotation form, or whichever form you've created and assigned to your website. And click on Get a Quote. The message will appear in your inbox folder. Please make sure to check your spam folder, just in case if your email filters have detected your website notification as a spam for the first time. If that's the case, just move your email notification from your website from your spam folder to your inbox, and all future notification from your website should go directly into your inbox. And there you are. In under an hour, we managed to create a complete and sleek looking business website with multiple pages, header and footer, quotation form, and fully interactive homepage. Please note, there is many more options within the Elementor page builder that you can apply to your website. The guides used in this tutorial are the ones that I believe should give you a good base in creating your own website. Just spend some time and explore all available options that will work for your website. You can't really break anything, and you can always revert back to its original settings and layouts. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please like and subscribe if you did, and I will see you in my next video.